Hello friends and welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video we will learn the tips and tricks for learning tables from 0 to 3, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Believe me, learning the tables is a challenging task for kids. But with these tricks and tips, they will not only learn the tables but also love to remember them. So without wasting any more time, let's start. But before starting, you should know what's the sign of multiplication. The sign of multiplication is this. So first we will start with 0 times table. You should know when we multiply something to 0, the result will always be a 0. For like 0 times 1 is equal to 0, 0 times 2 is also equal to 0, 0 times 3 is equal to 0, 0 times 4 is equal to 0, 0 times 5 is equal to 0, 0 times 6 is equal to 0, 0 times 7 is also equal to 0, 0 times 8 is equal to 0, 0 times 9 is also equal to 0, and 0 times 10 is equal to 0. So what does that mean? If we multiply any number to 0, the result will always be a 0. So next is our 1 times table. We should know when we multiply something to 1, the result will be the number itself. For example, if I want to multiply 5 with 1, that is 1 times 5, it will be 5. 1 times 4 will be 4. So here now we will see the 1 times table. One times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 1 times 9 is equal to 9. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. So as I said earlier, if we multiply some number with 1, the result will be the number itself. Now we will have a look at 2 times table. 2 times table, that is if we multiply some number with 2. So for making a 2 times table, the trick is, first we will draw 2 rows with 5 columns each. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and these are the 2 rows. Fine. Now you have to remember the table of 2 till 2 times 4, that is 2, 4, 6 and 8. We will write those numbers in these boxes or these columns here, in the upper row and in the lower row. Like 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. What next? We will add a 0 here. We will write these same numbers here. What next? This is our first row, this is our second row. In the first row, now we will add 0 on the tens place here. But except the last one, here we will place 1. So I'll write 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. And in the second row we will write 1 on the tens place, except the last one, here we write 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, here it's 2. And ta-da! Here we have our 2 times table ready. How? It's 2 times 1 is equal to 0, 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 0, 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 0, 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 0, 8. This is 0, 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. This is our 10. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. As I said, it is very easy to learn the tables with these tricks. Now we will next learn the trick of learning the table of 3, that is the 3 times table. Now for the table of 3, that is the 3 times table, we will draw a tic-tac-toe of 3 by 3, that is 3 rows and 3 columns in each row. So here I will make a tic-tac-toe. No, we are not playing here tic-tac-toe, it's just the grid we are using. Now we will write 1 to 9 numeric numbers, that is 1 to 9 digits or 1 to 9 numbers starting from this, that is the left bottom column to the left upper column, and we will end up at this right upper column, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and we will place a 0 outside, as we have 3 times 10, that is we should have 10 digits here. So we will place a 0 outside. Now for the first row at the tens place we will add 0. 0, 0, 0, and in the second row we will place 1. In the third row we will place 2, and before this 0 on the tens place, we will place 3. And as you can see, this is our 3 times table ready here. Let's take a look. 3 times 1 is equal to 0, 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 0, 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 0, 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So, here is our 3 times table ready. As I said, it is actually very easy to learn tables and it's fun. Don't you think the same? In the next video, we will learn the tricks and tips of learning tables from 4 to 6. That is 4, 5 and 6. Till then, take care. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on mathematics. Thank you.